Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to today's video. Well guys, in today's video, I have my skincare box for the month of November and December. And the reason I say November, December is because this only comes out every 2 months. So this is considered the November, December box. And what skincare box is, for those of you who don't know, it's pretty simple. It's a clean beauty box. And the really neat thing about this box is everything that's curated in every box is only by one skincare company. For example, this month's line is created by TBG Skincare. So everything in here is going to be from this line, TBG Skincare. And the value on this box right here is $230, but I paid $47. Now, if there is a referral link or any link that I have available, I will put it in the description box down below, and I will also pin it in the comments. Now, look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful this is when you open it. That is a very nice box. And I'm glad they give you a little postcard, and they're talking about the TBG skincare line. And on the opposite side, they have everything on here with the price, what it is, so I can tell you guys about it. And what is this? This is called the self-love menu, and it gives you a skincare routine that you should do. Okay, so like I said, this month's box is curated by a company called TBG Skincare. And what we will do is we are going to start off with this bottle first right here. And I believe this is for hair and hair loss, so thank you. I definitely will use this. As I get older, my hair just continuously gets thinner. But what this is Sunrace hair serum. And what this does is strengthens, protects, and recovers. And the ritual for this, it says to help your hair grow, apply the serum on your scalp and massage it in with your fingers. Let it sit all night for an overnight treatment. Proceed with this ritual the night before washing your hair. To protect your hair from pollution and outside aggressions, gently apply a few drops of the Sunrace serum on the ends of your hair after washing. Tip: this oil is a wonderful for your face as well. Okay, very good. So mix it with your favorite mask or use it on its own. So, okay, very, very good. And it is a nice, beautiful glass bottle. And that is what it looks like. Definitely just a nice little oil. And I love oils on my face, especially at night. Oh, it has a strong smell though. I don't know about on my face. That would probably bother me on my face. Even though I do love oils, but that I would not put on my face just because the scent would kind of bother me. But I will definitely give it a try. And this one is called, this is a face mask, and this is called the Lava Face Mask. And what this does, the results you will get from this is it will make your skin glow, boost hydration, and nourish. And it says mix a teaspoon of this mask with 5 drops of water in a bowl until obtaining a thick, ooh, look at that, a thick liquid texture. Apply it with a brush on clean skin. Let it work its magic for 5 to 20 minutes. Gently massage under warm water to rinse off. Tips: play with the ratio of the lava mask and water to your liking. So it definitely looks very lava-like, right? Well, you got to add water, but it's hard right now, so I guess that's why you got to add water. Okay, we have another face mask too, and I think that's what this is. Yes, and this one, that one was called the Lava. This one is called the Sea. So what this one does is moisturize, smooth, and brighten. And it says mix a teaspoon of this mask with 5 drops of water in a bowl. So it's the same thing. So you have to mix water with these. And you just massage them into your face. Try this ritual twice a week, and you will have better hydration, and it has jojoba oil in it too. So let's see what this looks like. I don't know if you can see, but it kind of looks like it's a black. It's very thick pasty, so I see why you have to mix it with water. Okay, now look at these size jars. Okay, here was the face mask that they gave you. You get 2 face masks. Now we have 2 of these jars. And what this one is a face scrub. Okay, so what does it say about this face scrub? This is called the Gold Face Scrub. And this rejuvenates, renews, and repairs. And the ritual on this, it says, after cleansing, apply a grape-size amount of the gold scrub to your damp skin and gently massage in circular motions. Make sure to avoid contact with your eyes. And the ingredients in this wonderful formula are designed to hold on to moisture and keep the skin hydrated. Follow with your favorite facial oil. Yes, ma'am, I will do that. So let's go ahead and open this and see what this looks like. Oh my goodness. It looks like brown sugar. Oh my goodness, that's exactly what it looks like. Like, don't it look like a sponge? But I guess you just put your fingers in there and massage it all over. So that's probably what most of this is a sugar scrub. Yeah, and it has a like a sweet like smell. So I think that's what that is. Let me see if it has the ingredients on here. Oh, okay, here's the ingredients, guys. The first ingredient is sugar cane and cocoa and coconut oil. Honey, that's what I'm smelling, some honey. It has a little bit of lemon peel oil and vitamin C. Okay, so like I said, this is all organic skincare. Okay, and here's the last one. We had the face scrub. Now this one is called the body scrub. And so let's see what it says about this body scrub. This rejuvenates, hydrates, and smooths. So it says gently exfoliate your damp skin in circular motions with 1 to 2 handfuls of the earth scrub. Rinse off with warm water, yep. Be careful not to add water in the jar. We recommend to use a dry spoon to scoop your scrub or dry fingers in order to preserve the integrity of your product. Okay, so let's open this up and see what this looks like. Oh my goodness, this looks like the same thing except for it's more black. Yeah, it's definitely hard. It feels, this one kind of looks more like coffee. I smell coffee. Yeah, let me see what the ingredients is, but if this doesn't have coffee, I will be very, very, very surprised. Sugar cane, cocoa, coconut oil, ground coffee, cinnamon, cedar oil, lemon peel oil, and vitamin E. Okay, so as you can see, I think this is a pretty good box. Here, this was the body scrub. This was the face scrub. Here is the hair serum to help your hair grow. And let me see what the ingredients is in this, because we talked about everything else. Oh my goodness, man, I need to get some better glasses. It looks like prunes, but I'm not sure. I will put at the bottom of the screen. I will have to get a bigger, get my magnifying glass out, but I will put it at the bottom of the screen. I don't think it's prunes. But then you have your 2 face masks. You have the lava face mask, and you have the sea face mask. So you get all 5 of these products for $47. It's from one company. It's all organic. Okay, well, what did you guys think of this box? Have any of you tried this box, and do you get it? And if you have, what do you think of it? So let me know in the comment section, and I hope everyone's having a great week.